I'm Hi, I'm Milena Milenkovic, and my project is on craters. I'm a third grader at Ashland Elementary School in Arlington, Virginia. My motivation to do this project was last year I went to a NASA summer camp where we had a science fair, and in one of the science fairs I learned about craters on the moon and ejecta, how it comes out of each meteor that it makes. Introduction. I connected a test using marbles and flour, and the marbles were two different masses. I showed how holes are formed by dropping the different mass marbles into the flour from different heights. I measured the depth of each hole made by the marble. The marbles are like meteors and the holes are like craters that the meteors make. My hypothesis. My hypothesis has two parts. Part 1. A massive meteor will make a deeper crater. Part 2. A faster moving meteor will make a deeper crater also. Test okay. Flour, bucket with spoon, depth ruler, marbles, 2 sets. And these are the 2 sets of marbles. And they're the same size. Procedure. Put flour into a bucket and fluff up with the whisk. Level top of the flour with the edge of the depth ruler. Place the bucket of flour on the floor. Roll marbles off of the table into the bucket and do the same with a chair on top of table. Repeat with heavier marbles. Results. These are my results for my test. I have 2 tables. Table 1, hold depths from a half of a meter drop height. On the left column, I have the light and each depth of the crater. And on the right, I have the heavy marbles and each depth of them also. Same with the other table, just it's a 1 meter drop. This is what my data looks like when I turn it into a graph. On the vertical side, I have the whole depth of the depth. On the other side, I have the marble number. This is my conclusion from my research. My conclusion is that most of the time, a more faster growing meteor will make a deeper crater. And a more massive meteor, most of the time, will make a deeper crater also. These are the averages from each drop height, and these are the depths for them. Thank you. Are there any questions? Yes. That was last year at summer, and it was in a JSC building where I used to live in Texas. Yes?
This work with gravity that you're doing, would you like to be an astronaut?
No, but I decided it was really interesting to do this. Yes?
So what happened to the ejecta?
Well, it comes out when it hits really deep down because there's stuff inside of the moon's surface, and then it comes out when something hits it. Any more questions? Thank you.